Hello again. This is Ronnie Tatum. In this video, I'll be giving you a basic overview and tutorial for the Makerbot Print software. The Print software is the latest 3D CAD slicing software used exclusively for the Makerbot 3D printers. To begin with, you will need to download and install the software. Start your favorite web browser and go to makerbot.com/apps. Scroll down to the Makerbot Print and click the Learn More button. Next, click the Download button. Ensure that the correct operating system is chosen and click the Download button again. After the file has finished downloading, click to run it and start the installation process. Follow the instructions on screen to install the software. Once the Print software has finished installing, you can start it by double-clicking the icon on the desktop. You will need to sign in with your Makerbot account. If you don't have an account, you can click the Sign Up button and fill in the information to receive one. After you are logged in, you will notice the interface is simple and easy to navigate. On the left, you will see links to the Makerbot.com website, the Thingiverse.com website, and the Makerbot store. On the right, you will see the Print Settings menus. These menus allow you to view model information, estimate print time and print preview, units of measure, print quality settings, the build plate arrangement, change the orientation of the model, and adjust the scale of the model. In the bottom right, you have a menu that allows you to choose which printer you would like to use. You can view the build plate through the camera and have access to maintenance utilities that will be covered in another video. Once you've selected the printer you want to use, you can start adding models by clicking the Project Panel button in the upper left. Click Add Models, and then choose which file you want to print. The Print software accepts the standard STL file for 3D printing, as well as native CAD files such as SolidWorks, Inventor, and many others. Select the file and click the Open button to add it to the build plate. You can add additional models by clicking Add Models again if you want to print more than one part at a time. Now that your model is added to the build plate, you can use the Print Settings menu to choose the print mode you want to use. Under Print Mode, click the tri-dots to see the different modes you can choose from. An illustration as well as an explanation is shown so that you can quickly see and choose the different modes. For most of your models, you will use balance, and this is also the default mode. You can also choose whether the model will need support structures. Remember that overhangs and angles less than 68 degrees do not need supports. You will notice there is also a custom settings button. If you are intimately familiar with 3D printing and understand how the models are sliced and printed, then you have access to many other settings you can use to fine-tune the print. These settings will be covered in a later video. Next, you can use the Arrange menu to ensure the models are arranged on the build plate for the quickest print time. This is especially helpful when you have several models that you are printing at once. The Orientation menu allows you to rotate the part to eliminate or to use the least amount of supports. It is always recommended that models are printed as flat as possible. You can use the 90-degree buttons to rotate the part on each axis at a 90-degree offset. You can also type in a custom angle in the box of your choice. The Scale menu is used to create a larger or smaller version of the part. This is helpful especially when you want to create quarter-scale models or print a model much larger for better inspections of the features. Once you've completed all the menu settings, you can use the Print Preview and Estimates button to see a simulation of the model being printed, as well as an estimated print time. Depending on how large the model or models are, this could take several minutes to complete. In here, you will see the estimated amount of material that will be used, the estimated amount of print time, and a visualization of the support and model material. You can use the Play Animation button to see a simulated run of each layer being printed. Use the mouse scroll wheel to zoom in on the model to get a better look at the layers, shells, and infill. Once you're satisfied with the model simulation and are ready to print, use the Print button in the bottom right to send it to the printer. Be sure the build plate is cleaned and ready, use the camera to help you, and then click the Start Print button. The printer will immediately begin its pre-build tasks, such as homing and heating the extruder. At any time during the print, You can cancel it using the Cancel button if you don't want to complete the print. As you can see, using the Makerbot Print software is quick and easy. With the support of native CAD files, easy to access and use menu, and direct connections to your printers, it makes printing your 3D models hassle-free. I hope you found this video helpful, and please visit our website, teachingsystems.com, for more information and products. Thank you.